Good morning. You know what's missing in most garages? Good lights. And this one's no different. And yes, it's a mess. Dallas is more the, OCD kind of person. But anyways, what we're going to do today is add some of these really cool LED track lights to the garage. Because right now, swing around here, Subaru's having a little bit of trouble getting enough light to work in the engine bay. So, come with me. We're going to actually fix this up and make this garage look that much better. So the lights we're going to be using are I'm going to try this here. It's Barrina, these guys. And it's a 5-pack that I got off of Amazon because, I like cost-effective stuff. And the way they work is basically daisy chain them all together off an outlet, and then you can turn them on individually. The interesting one with this is that you can actually do via some pigtails over here. As I step over top the drill case. So these suckers just plug in 3 prongs, and you can actually hardwire them in. So what we're going to do today is very much a temporary solution. The plan will be to actually finish and drywall the garage. I've been here for quite a while and just never quite got around to it because there's always more car projects to do. But that's going to be the plan. Once that's done, we'll be putting in a wired circuit rather, and that will be just for these lights. Right now we have 2 kind of standard sockets, and what we're going to do is basically tap into them with a splitter. So it'll be a socket plug combo and run these. That's the plan for right now. The big area of focus, you can see I'm standing under the manger lights right now, is not here. It's in the front, and specifically when the garage door is up. So what we're going to do is go ahead and install those. And like I said, this is temporary, so please don't make too much fun of my really terrible situation with my installation right at the moment. I will be fixing all that. And then as we get more situated rather with the drywall, we'll make this better and more permanent installation. But for now, let's set up the camera and I'll show you what we're going to do. So here are the clips. Basically just run a screw that's given with the package through the middle of it so it sits like this, and then put that into the stud. And then these guys, the lights actually snap right into these, so you can actually move them around pretty easily. Liking the design, but we'll see it in practice. So we're going to measure it out a little bit right now, and then we'll set it up for doing the actual install. Okay, next we're going to test it out by actually plugging this in. So it's just the same leads as what joins the different lights together. And a regular plug, got a little switch in the middle. And for today, what we're going to do is basically power it up off of an extension cord. So once we get everything in exactly the position we want, then we'll be able to staple it in and get it ready so all the cords are nice. give this a shot. See what we think. Okay, drum roll. Wow! Oh my God. That is so much better. Here, let's turn this one off. Turn the work light off. And then, ba-bam. That's even with me dropping one of them. That's pretty awesome. So, like I said, still needs a little bit of touch up. So what I'm gonna do is basically staple the cord in. Don't look at that again. And then come over here into one of the lights, put in a socket that's screws in. It's a little ghetto right at the moment, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that up. So anyways, really happy with this. All of a sudden, let's just take a step back here. You can see how much light there is. So light on. Light off. Light on. Light off. That's huge. All of a sudden I can see what to do. Oh, not that. In the engine bay here for the Subaru. So intake problems downstairs. We're gonna get that back on here. I just need to flow and test the injectors, and then we're good to go. Wash the intercooler today. Gonna do a little thermal tape on that. Keep it nice and cool. And yeah, I can't wait to get this back on the road. And then once I'm done here today, I'm gonna pull Twin 6 back in the garage. That's my FRS. Anyways, thank you so much for checking this out with us. We're really looking forward to making more content on the channel, and look forward to having more light so we can see what we're doing on the projects. So stay tuned. There's more coming for Twin 6. There's more coming for the STI, and then we're gonna get Dallas back on. Anyways, until then, if you want to check out another how-to video, you can click the link in the description below, and that's for Dallas installing the Driveway Labs diffuser he did a couple of years ago. You can see how much cleaner and nicer his garage is than mine. But hopefully we'll see you guys real soon. Thanks again for watching. Talk to you later.